Actual maneuver on PC term 3. Item of term 3. Main function of table GUI. Simply do tutorial. Aim, header, and some execution button explanation. Output statistical value and the usage. Main function of table GUI. Generate sister nodes, name first table try like near awesome seed node, and vary each subscore group. By these, efficiently prepare reference node for electing parameter of addtry, explained in next page. Generate further sister nodes named addtry. Expect less bad interaction with each subscore against improving score. Semi-automatically elect parameter combination from first table try nodes after addtry run. By this, often find best score and can confirm interaction degree against improving score. Simply do tutorial. Select awesome child node. After, push table GUI from load directory. Table GUI ignited. Although spreadsheet area and button area are wide, not so many points to change. This time, all subscore are drag, force, and want to decrease. So aim header remain default state, lower. Other manipulation points on spreadsheet area are: first, set bind column. Simply click to each parameter for changing to the subscore that they should belong, based on the pre-knowledge of parameter to subscore relation. Second, do load directory column under select state. This time, the column turned to blue or other color. Button area manipulation are some there, but not so difficult. Enter the amount of parallel execution and push execute button. After, ask the node for identifying the intention of this time generating in Tree GUI. So, input node comment. First table try run. After, addtry run automatically. I can confirm written previous node and addtry flag on node column in Tree GUI. Finished. If aim header and bind column are proper, addtry often find best score node. Select awesome child node in divide 4. After, push table GUI from load directory. Table GUI ignited. Model of this time. Parameter 1 to 4 is front wing. And the drag force value of front wing is sub 3. So, by clicking bind column of above 4 parameter, turn to sub 3. Next, parameter 5 to 8 is rear wing, and the drag force value of rear wing is sub 4. So, by clicking bind column of below 4 parameter, turn to sub 4. After, do load directory column as selected state. This column used as the seed direction. This time, all elements are down. Table GUI firstly execution nodes will be deployed near this. This model, all subscore aim to lower drag force, so remain aim header default state. Above table setting is finished. Enter parallel execution number in this blank. Next, push each bind execution button. 8 nodes near divide for all 1, click OK. Identify node required. This time, EB underbar BP1. Click OK. Firstly, table execution start. After first table execution, addtry automatically run. Finished. Score confirm at Tree GUI. As C, addtry will show good score. Aim header and some execution button explanation. Mainly for addtry, set the policy of chasing final score and subscore. A little detailed explanation is on the next 2 pages. Upper and lower is simply search upper and lower value. Sometimes, preferable subscore tendency is not certain. That time, select follow or ignore. Value aim is chasing some parameter that subscore become close to specified value. Practically, set the specified subscore value in value header CSV. After, if aim header of some subscore are set to value aim, the binded parameter are induced. That subscore attracts specified value. Mainly use execution button are these. Especially use each bind. Maybe we will upload the effective maneuver of some button in the future. Output statistical value and the usage. By clicking ML icon, final score, subscore, parameter contribution value are calculated. But for achieving accuracy against parameter amount, 4 to 5 time nodes data needed. So if you want to chase good score with a few trial, do like previous tutorial in a word, search only near or awesome load node will be efficient. After ML icon, if bind icon clicked on load directory column, override the bind from subscore parameter clustering evaluation. Basic topics of op software are finished. From now on, slow pace, but we will upload advanced usage of op software or FreeCAD OpenFOAM.